Go on then.
Leonardo leaves, then Donatello does machines. Raphael's cool, Michelangelo's party dude, and they fight Shredder, and Shredder has a technodrome. And Krang, the space criminal, and he's a baddie master. So he goes and he fights, and he's a baddie leader. He vanished from space to Earth, and he got his body taken away, so he used Shredder to build him a new body. I do like Batman. I like Batman and Turtles and Mask and Thingy.